G'day legends, and thanks for tuning in. In this video I get some rust repair sections cut out of the donor AA cab, and then I take it and the old 110 chassis up the block. I get the Holden chassis removed from the coupe ute, and then I get some odd jobs done at the spare block. And some of my files on the SD card got corrupted, but essentially it was going to start with me transporting. We take my mate's Detroit powered international, well, it's going to be Detroit powered project international, up the block, and I took delivery. He bought this into town for me, this Mitsubishi Triton dual cab. It's going to donate its chassis to HAKSAW, the coupe ute. So yeah, they were supposed to be the first few files on this video. They're not going to make it, but yeah, the rest of the video's a good one, so yeah, watch along and enjoy, eh? Rightio, so it's a few days after I dropped my mate's truck off up the block. What I want to do this morning, well, hopefully by now you've seen the last video of the Barra C-line build where I get the roof swapped over. This was the donor cab, cut the dash out of it and the roof off. Yeah, got the dash fitted to the C-line build. Going to use it, making a padded dash out, so it's actually a bolt-in unit, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, got the old roof, you can see the old roof over there off the C-line. Got this roof swapped on it, really happy with that. Basically want to get rid of this chassis and this old cab back up the block. What we want to do before it goes, I need to fill this hole in on the C-line. So what I want to do is cut a piece out around here, which basically got the same shape and contours and stuff. So I want to take a piece out of there. Not sure how much I'm going to take of this, but the C-line cab's had a big hit here, so I want to sort of take this whole corner to be able to repair it. And then there's a section around here also in the C-line. I want to pull the windscreen out. There's a rust hole in here, so I just want to harvest yeah, some repair sections out of this cab before it heads back up the block. Yeah, once I got those bits out of it, we'll get the trailer hooked up, load this up, and yeah, take it back up the block. So yeah, let's get cutting, eh? Rightio, so I end up getting that corner piece off, and for any of you blokes who haven't had to repair these things yet, yeah, you can see why they rust out. They're just a massive collection point on the cab corners, and yeah, up in the scuttle panel here, the dirt and the moisture just collects and they just rust out. So yeah, got the pieces I want off of this cab. I'll get them in the shed, and like I say, I'll get this thing loaded up and yeah, get it to the block. So I got that spare cab and chassis loaded up on my way up the block. Not sure how I'm going to go unload it up there. We've had a ton of rain last night, big thunderstorm, so yeah, crossing my fingers I can get this thing unloaded without getting bogged. But yeah, we're just going to do a quick dump and run and yeah, head back home. So yeah, fingers crossed, eh? Alrighty, so I got that yeah, that spare cab and chassis off the trailer. Didn't bother bringing the ramps, just pushed it off. Yeah, so that's out of the road. I was going to take a second to talk to you about this International of my mates, the one that we bought up here the other day. Not sure if I've gone over it in detail with you blokes before, but this one's going to be the Detriot powered rig. Yeah, 6V53 Detriot and 4-speed Allison in it. Going to be quite a bit lower to the ground. Looking to change the whole front suspension type in it. Yeah, looking to go to like a late model truck, front end like a bolt-in cross member, power rack sort of setup if we can find one that'll suit. We've already got a late model Japanese diff for it. Thing's going to loosen wheelbase. We're going to shorten the wheelbase up a little bit. Like I said, a lot lower to the ground. Yeah, 6V53 Detriot. Trying to talk him into going twin turbo as well. Obviously they're supercharged from the factory, otherwise I won't run without the blower. But yeah, thinking supercharged, twin turbo, twin stacks be pretty cool. Probably going to be patinaed. This cab isn't staying on there. I've got another cab that's going to go on it. It's going to have a C-line front on it. So yeah, definitely going to be a cool little truck. Keep an eye out on the channel for this one. A few blokes, yeah, you diesel guys will really love this one. This thing's going to be pretty rowdy, and it's going to actually go pretty well too. It's not going to weigh a whole lot. Yeah, it's going to run and drive really nice. It's going to be on, not sure if it'll be on Alcoas or yeah, big Steelies or whatever, but it'll probably be on 20-inch sort of size rims. Yeah, not sure if we're going to go duals or super singles out the back, but yeah, very cool truck. Well, it's going to be anyway once we get into it. And while I'm up here, it's still trying to rain right at the minute, but I was thinking about giving the new zero turn a lash. So yeah, if the rain holds off for 5 minutes, I might crank it up and lay some strips. Not that that's probably very exciting to a lot of you guys, but yeah, we'll see if the rain holds and we'll give it a lash, eh? Got the better of us, lads. So anyway, I got a little bit done, knocked a bit down. So yeah, we'll clean this thing up, put it away, and go home, eh? Okay, so we're back home. Had some lunch. What I'm going to do is I'm going to lift the body, the coupe ute body, back off that Holden chassis, and get that Holden chassis loaded onto the trailer. I probably won't take it back up the block there to SAR, but I'll just get it out of the road. So yeah, for next time we can get that Triton chassis out from under that body and slide it under here, and hopefully that's going to work. So going to get the front clip back off this thing, get the body up in the air, and yeah, get the chassis loaded up. So let's get into it. Alright legends, that's going to do us for another video. We got HAKSAW'S new donor chassis turn up, that little Mitsubishi Triton. The thing actually runs and drives, very surprising, very rough, but it does run and drive. Got the Holden chassis out from HAKSAW as well. We know it's no good, not going to work, so going to take it up the block another time. And yeah, like you can see, I just threw in a few yeah, bits and bobs of what I've sort of accomplished during the week. We picked that mower up, did a little bit of mowing, went up the block and stuff like that. So yeah, if you've enjoyed, do us a favour, like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.